Okay, so hello and welcome back to the Sovrenfx YouTube channel. Welcome. Hope you are having a great trading week, great trading day, wherever you are. So today I'm going to talk about the REM basic BBMA multi-timeframe analysis. So you can't just start trading from here. You have to go through the playlist to understand a bit better on what BBMA is. This is a advanced concept, but if you want to learn, you can stick with me and get to understand how it works. So basically, this is what the creator, I'm not the creator of the BBMA, I'm basically also a student. So the REM code means the re-entry, extreme, and MHV. MHV simply means market hilang volume in Malayan, a term used to represent a market loss in volatility. So let's begin. So I'm on the H4 time frame. Okay, I know you're wondering how I got my charts to look like this. Very simple. Instead of going through the trouble of adding all those indicators by yourself, and TradingView also doesn't allow you to add more than 3 indicators. Search BBMA, take BBMA OMAH light theme by Lycos. Tap there. Then you can have your settings exactly as mine. Sometimes I don't need the mid Bollinger Band, but I'll just leave it there for a better understanding. So these are my settings. I unchecked all of this to have a cleaner chart. This basically is for beginners to help you understand how the market moves using BBMA, such that when it closes, it draws an arrow. But you can test that out for yourself. Let's jump right into today's video. So the re-entry is on the H4. Right now I'm on the H4. If you've been with me, you understand what a re-entry is. A re-entry is basically when price closes below the lower Bollinger Bands, then comes back to tap the MA 5 or 10 highs. And this is exactly what has happened. Price made momentum sell back for re-entry. So let's highlight this zone. Okay, you could take notes. Also watch this video twice to understand if you can't understand it in the first explanation. Also, any questions are welcome in the comment section. So once you have highlighted the re-entry zone, you want to drop down for an extreme on the H1 or the 30 minutes. Let's drop down to the H1. Okay, so once you are at the H1, you realize we don't have an extreme. What is an extreme? Extreme is when the MA high or 10 highs are above the top Bollinger Band. On the H1, we have no setup. That's why we have H1 30 minutes. Drop down to the 30 minutes charts. Look for an extreme within this area that you have highlighted. And as you can see, we have a beautiful picture perfect extreme. The MA highs came above the top Bollinger Bands. Nice. So the second confluence, we are done. Extreme on the 30 minutes. So the entry is taken on the 15 or the 5 minutes, where you look for the MHV. So what is an MHV, or how does it look like on the charts? Let's drop down to the 15 minutes to see. The MHV is simply price goes up for an extreme, re-entry, then cannot make a higher high or close above the top Bollinger Band once more. So as you can see, market is losing its volume, and this is exactly what we are looking for. So the first entry could be around here for a short position, but since this was only one candle, you couldn't have gotten an entry. That's why our entry was around here. Taking a sell. So it boils down to your risk management. So for me, as price was coming to break the previous candle's low, I would have entered a sell and had my stop loss in the middle around here, just below the top Bollinger Band for around 20 pips. And with BBMA, since it works best during trending markets, you can hope to get at least a 1 to 3. So this is the trade. It's quite simple. It looks hard and maybe tough to the eye because of a lot of indicators, but once you have the clarity and can understand how BBMA works, you can just always just have this, print this out, make it your wallpaper or anything, and this helps you get the best entries. It prevents stupid trades or trades that would likely hit your stop loss. So as you can see, this was a perfect trade on the GBP USD for sell. So if you have any questions, okay, so this was the buy, this was the sell setup, sorry. I'll work on another video on how to get buy setups, and also the next code. There are 2 codes that I am aware of. There's the REM, this I have gone over, and there's the RME, basically the MHV, sorry, before the extreme. That will be most likely our next video, so stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.